In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Wise to Alipay. We'll go through the process from inside your Wise account and set up the recipient as an Alipay contact using the e-wallet option. This is a straightforward setup, but it's important to enter the recipient details carefully so the transfer goes to the right person. To begin, open Wise and go to the home page. Once you're signed in and looking at your dashboard, find the send button and click it. This is where all new transfers begin. After that, look for the option to add a new recipient and click Add. Since you're sending to Alipay, Wise will ask you to choose the currency and delivery method for the person receiving the money. In the currency search bar, type CNY. This stands for Chinese Yuan, which is the currency you'll use for this transfer. When CNY appears in the list, click it to continue. Choosing the correct currency matters because it determines the transfer route and the available payout methods. Next, select e-wallet as the receiving method. This tells Wise that the money is being sent to a digital wallet rather than a traditional bank account. On the next screen, choose someone else if you're sending money to another person's Alipay account. Now, you'll enter the recipient's details. Type the full name of the account holder exactly as it should appear for the receiving account. Accuracy is especially important here because even small differences in the name can sometimes cause delays or issues with verification. Then click on the email field and enter the recipient's email address. Make sure you use the email linked to their receiving account if that's what Wise requires for this setup. Take a moment to double check the spelling before moving on, since incorrect contact information can lead to problems later. Once everything is filled in, click Continue. At this point, the Alipay recipient has been added, and you're ready to move forward with the transfer process in Wise. As a general tip, always review the recipient information before confirming anything, especially the full name, currency, and e-wallet selection. That extra check can save time and help avoid transfer errors. And that's how to send money from Wise to Alipay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.